How to switch to TradingView chart in KuCoin application. Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you prefer more advanced chart tools while trading on KuCoin, switching to TradingView chart is a great choice. First of all, launch open your KuCoin application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. After you're logged in, go ahead and click on the markets option at the bottom of the screen and select any trading pair you want to open the chart for. Once you open the chart page, which looks like this, go ahead and click on the gear icon right above the chart, and then in the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see the Chart Display tab. Select Trading View option right next to Chart Display. Now get back to the Markets tab for the chosen currency pair, and you'll see a Trading View interface for your chart. After switching, you'll notice more advanced indicators, drawing tools, cleaner and more professional chart layout. If you don't see the Trading View option, just make sure to update your KuCoin app so it can be seen by you as well. So that is how you successfully switch to TradingView charts in KuCoin. Now you can analyze markets more professionally and improve your trading decisions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.